I found myself in a sea of busy places.
We're at Tully's right now. This is awkward.
Midnight, come and pick me up, no headlights.
Gave him a bath, so he's annoyed.
He looks more like he wants to fall asleep.
My arm hurts.
I'm gonna take this one.
I'm gonna vlog tomorrow because I'm going to the dentist, and I didn't really vlog today. 9:30 a.m. Get up at 8:30. Okay.
I'll be up.
I'll vlog more tomorrow.
gonna-
Alright guys, I'm vlogging today. There's gonna be, I think, another day added into this vlog just because I only vlogged like a minute, I think. So yeah, I'm going with my dad today, and yeah, so let's go. We're at Wacky Mittens.
Long drive, could end in burning flames or paradise. Fake interview. Oh, it's been a while since I have even heard from you. I should just tell you to leave, cause I know exactly where it leads, but I watch us go round and round each time. You got that daydream look in your eye, and I got that red lip classic thing that you like. And when we go crashing down, we come back every time. 'Cause we never go out of style, we never go out of style. You got that long hair, slick back, white t-shirt, and I got that good girl fake and tight little skirt. And when we go crashing down, we come back every time. 'Cause we never go out of style, we never go out of style. So it goes. He can't keep his wild eyes on the road.
What does that mean?
Like, what is XXX?
Show me where.
I'm Daniel's account.
A concert, tell us what it means. I want to change my YouTube channel.
You recording it?
Yeah,
Why?
cause it's funny.
Why is it funny?
Because of what it means.
Now, what does it mean?
Well, it could mean several things. XXX means that
Like, you have your exes?
it's like
What?
like
Told you wasn't doing it. It's 30%.
oh,
Isn't it like your exes?
Bros, do you not remember the counselor told us what it is?
I kind of do.
isn't like
What did she say it
Triple X
was?
is like stock, special stock for alcohol beer. Or Triple X could be like
You're way off.
What does it mean?
Triple
Does
X
it
rated
mean
movies.
sexual?
Is that what you heard?
Does it mean sexual?
Or like kisses or hugs.
Oh my god, I can say my YouTube channel is that, yes.
Can it be sexual?
She said it was a porn website.
Haha, Zai, pull my switch and show. Because he has
Mike made me.
X Zai D1. I told you this.
I should have brought my camera, but it was on 2 bars and probably would have died. I'm editing a video.
You said that one. No, you said X.
She's on FaceTime. What? We're eating.
What are you saying? You're mean.
You're welcome. Alright, I never ended the vlog yesterday because I got a giant headache. It is currently 9:36 p.m. I just got over my headache. It just went away about a couple hours ago. So I'll end the vlog now so I can edit it for you guys. Yeah. So, thumbs it up if you want. Subscribe below for more vlogs. My main channel is below, Instagram and Twitter, in the description. So I'm trying to make sure it's like focused. Good enough. And yeah. So see you all next week with another vlog, which there will be a vlog up either Wednesday or Thursday because my mom is getting an operation done and she has to get anesthesia. So I'm going to be recording that for you guys and just vlogging, period. So it'll probably be a really long vlog. I'll pick out the funny parts of the anesthesia part and post it. And yeah, so that's probably what you'll see only. It's just the anesthesia part. I won't vlog that much. Just so you guys don't get a really like an hour video. But yeah, so okay, I'm gonna go now. And today is Sunday, so you'll get that in a couple days. My eyeball is red over here. Look at that. Do you see that red right here? My finger is.
Oh, Oscar.
I don't know how to red eye that. Okay, sorry, I'm gonna go now. Alright, bye. Peace out.